Yep, I still got a mess. Taking turns, stuff is falling off. I got a lot of straightening up to do. But, oh, I don't know if you guys seen this. All the way back there, I got that snake oil finally. I just picked up my Milwaukee snake. Berlin's finally done with it. I should have bought the drop ear for this snake. So, but I didn't. Just bought the regular Milwaukee one again. I don't even know if I'm even gonna use a snake anymore. I might just use the Ryobi one. It definitely feels a lot smoother, but it's probably because that thing is empty. This feels really nice now. Yeah, that must have been in really bad shape. They replaced a lot of stuff in this thing. A lot of stuff. This thing's gonna go everywhere. Oh well. Doing it right in the parking lot. Huh. Tell me if there's a right way to do this. I usually just let it go, or I'm just gonna try feeding it in. Come on. This ain't working out so hot. Get in there. Okay, I don't know. Do I just walk it out or what? Put it right on the pavement. Let's try that out. Brand new cable, just screwing it up. Okay. There we go. Well, that's probably the bulb. Yep. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. It might be easier to just do this. So I'm testing it because, see, last time it locks, this ain't locking, dude. There you go. So now they gotta ship it back now because this ain't working. See, that's locked. Look at that crap. See, this is forward reverse. So you go all the way up. Oh, okay, that's tight now. Looks cockeyed to me, if you ask me. Ooh! There we go. Oh, I missed it. Oh no. Okay. Let's go take the Ryobi out. Yeah, my truck is a mess right now because I took too many turns, or they didn't have don't have the right what do you call it? The right stuff yet to hold all my boxes. Ooh. Oh, that was the snake oil. I thought they were same size cable. But I guess not. This is a little bit thicker. Little baby cable. I don't care, I still like the Ryobi. We'll see. We'll see how I feel when I want to hurry up and get something unclogged. If I'm going to grab the Ryobi or I'm going to grab the Milwaukee. We shall see.